Hiya, Ben here from Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. It's Monday, which means it's time for, is it maths or is it magic? You've been getting in touch in your millions and you wanted more problems like this. So here we go. Think of a number, any number you want, whole number. We don't want any of those decimal places, just a whole number. It can be as tricksy as you want, any number you want. You're now going to multiply that number by 3. So if you've thought of the number 3, it's going to be a nice easy job for you. You're going to have 9. If you thought of 273, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you. So times your number by 3. Done that? Now add 45 onto your number. You can use your fingers, that's okay. Now double that number that you've just got. So some of you might have a really big number by this stage. For this next step, you're allowed to use a calculator if you want. So whatever number you've got now, divide it by 6. Done that? Not quite. Done that, good. Now take away the number you started with from your new number, and you're going to be left with a number. And by the power of maths magic, that number should be 15. Let us know how we got on. Let us know if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you at the next video. Cheers!